Hello all. Today we're going to learn about a Taiwanese multinational company hardware and electronics company that is ASUSTeK Computer Incorporation. Most of us at least once must have heard the name of the company ASUS. Let us know this company in a much better way. ASUSTeK Computer Incorporation, usually referred to as ASUS and in Chinese Huashuo, and trading under that name, is a Taiwanese multinational computer, hardware and electronics company headquartered in Buzhou District, Taipei, Taiwan. Its products include desktops, laptops, netbooks, LEDs, LCD panels, mobile phones, networking equipment, monitors, motherboards, graphic cards, optical storage, multimedia products, servers, workstations and tablet PCs. The company's slogan tagline was "Inspiring Innovation." ASUS is the world's fifth largest PC vendor by 2013 unit sales, after Lenovo, HP, Dell and Acer. ASUS appears in Business Week's Infotech 100 and Asia's top 10 IT companies rankings, and it ranked first in the IT hardware category of the 2008 Taiwan Top 10 Global Brands Survey with a total brand value of $1.3 billion. ASUS has a primary listing on the Taiwan Stock Exchange and a secondary listing on the London Stock Exchange. ASUS was founded in Taipei in 1989 by T.H. Tang, Tetsu Wen Sei and M.T. Liao, all four having previously worked at Acer as computer engineers. At this time, Taiwan had yet to establish a leading position in the computer hardware business. Intel Corporation would supply any new processors to more established companies like IBM first, and Taiwanese companies would have to wait for approximately 6 months after IBM received their engineering prototypes. According to the legend, the company created a prototype for a motherboard using an Intel 486, but it had to do so without access to the actual processor. In September 2005, ASUS released the first PhysX accelerator card. In December 2005, ASUS entered the LCD TV market with the TL-W3201 model. In January 2006, ASUS announced that it would cooperate with Lamborghini to develop the VX series. On 9 December 2008, the Open Handset Alliance announced that the ASUS had become one of 14 new members of the organization. These new members will either deploy compatible Android devices, contribute significant code to the Android open source project, or support the ecosystem through products and services that will accelerate the availability of Android-based devices. In January 2013, ASUS officially ended production of its ePC series due to declining sales caused by consumers increasingly switching to tablets and ultrabooks. ASUS's products include laptops, tablet computers, desktop computers, mobile phones, personal digital assistants, PDAs, servers, computer monitors, motherboards, graphics cards, sound cards, optical disk drives, computer networking devices, computer cases, computer components and computer cooling systems. Essentio series. Essentio is a line of desktop PCs. As of December 2011, the line consisted of the CG series designed for gaming, the CM series for entertainment and home use, and the CS and CP Slimline series. Sound cards. ASUS released its first sound card, the Zonar DX, in February 2008. The Zonar DX was able to emulate the supporting OpenAL and DTS Connect. In July 2008, ASUS launched the Zonar D1, which offered largely similar features to the Zonar DX but connected to the motherboard through the PCI interface instead of the PCIe X-into-1 connection of the Zonar DX. ASUS then released the Zonar HD AV 1.3, which was the first solution enabling lossless HD audio bit streaming to AV receivers. Tablets. 2 generations of the Nexus 7, manufactured for and branded as Google, was announced on 27 June 2012 for the release in July 2012. On July 24, 2013, ASUS announced the successor to the Google Nexus 7. 2 days later, it was released. ASUS had also been working with Microsoft in developing Windows 8 convertible tablets. In 2013, ASUS revealed an Android-based tablet computer that, when attached to a keyboard, becomes a Windows 8 device, which is called the Transformer Book Trio. In 2000, ASUS launched Green ASUS, a company-wide sustainable computing initiative overseen by a steering committee led by Johnny Shih, the chairman of ASUS. According to the company, ASUS pursues green policies in design, procurement, manufacturing and marketing. In 2006, ASUS obtained IEC Quality Assessment System for Electronics Components SMPM Hazardous Substance Process Management certification for its headquarters and for all of its manufacturing sites. In 2007, Ecom Research, an independent research institute specializing in corporate responsibility assessment, recognized ASUS as a highly environmental friendly company in the computers, peripherals and office electronics industry. In April 2008, ASUS launched its PC Recycling for a Brighter Future program in collaboration with Intel and Sanquin Enterprise Corporation. The program collected more than 1,200 desktop computers, notebooks and CRT LCD monitors, refurbished them and donated them to 122 elementary and junior high schools, 5 Aboriginal communities and the Tzu Chi Stem Cell Center. In September 2008, PC Pro discovered through a reader that ASUS had accidentally shipped laptops that contained cracked and pirated software. Both physical machines and recovery CDs contained confidential documents from Microsoft and other organizations, internal ASUS documents and sensitive personal information including CVs. So we got to know about the various aspects of ASUS, we went through the company's history to its products. Hope the information was useful and have a good day ahead.